Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Willoughby of Elo's Hair. If this is your first time, thank you for coming. If this is not your first time, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put highlights in this curly unit that I had made for a client of mine. We're going to be calling this unit ZZ, and you can find it on our website. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to need is our bleach and developer. Today I'm using a 40 volume developer. I'm going to mix that up with my bleach, and it's not going to be a thick consistency this time. It's going to be like smooth. So it's going to be like, like a bit runny. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to section out the part that I'm going to be putting the highlights in. Guys, you can choose whatever part you want to put your highlights in. It doesn't matter. It's up to you, go crazy with it. So I figured I wanted to put the highlights in the front because she kind of sent me a picture of what she wanted. And so I figured, I'll try to recreate the look for her. So I basically am sectioning out the parts that I'm going to want highlighted in the front. You see, this is a closure unit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the entire front part of the closure and then some parts of the sides that are not the closure. And then I'm going to start applying the bleach on it. So you can start from the bottom. You can start from the middle. Usually you start from the bottom. I don't know why I started in the middle, but either way, I just covered the whole thing except the roots with the bleach. And then when I do that, I wrap it in foil and try not to press the foil because you don't want to leave lines that are going to show up in the bleach. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see what I'm doing.
Minister.
Flash beat on the beat. Flash beat on the beat.
So after we're done with the front, we're going to move on to the back of the unit. So remember how I say you guys can pick up whatever section you want to be highlighted? This is the part where you can go crazy. I mean, don't go too crazy, but just section out the parts that you want highlighted. You could try to make your work neater than what I was doing here. But I pretty much just took out sections that I figured that, the highlight will look sharp in. If that makes any sense. But yeah, pretty much the same thing. I cover it in bleach except the roots. But this time around, since this is the back, I try to go closer to the roots of the hair of the section that I'm working on, and then wrap it in the foil. And I kind of put the foil down and then put the bleach on top, just so it doesn't get, just so bleach doesn't get to the other parts of the hair that I do not want bleach on. So after I was done highlighting all my sections, you guys will see I had a little bit of bleach left over, so I decided to add bleach to the tips of the hair, like all through the unit. I wasn't planning on doing this before, but like I said, only because I had bleach left over, and I kind of had a look in my mind that I was like, you know, it would look cute if like the tips of the hair were like also highlighted. But at the end of the day, it didn't really show because I didn't have enough bleach. Like I said, I was only using like what was left over. I didn't want to mix another bowl. But if you guys want that look, because I feel like that look would be really cute actually. If you want that look, you can just go ahead and mix yourself another bowl and add to the tips. Or you could be like me, who, as you see, I just put a little bit of what was left on the tip. So off camera, I washed the bleach out after 40 minutes with my Shimmer Light shampoo, and then I mixed some of my 30 volume developer this time around with some Weller toner, and that's going to help you get rid of some of that orangey brassiness in the hair. And then of course I wash it out with my conditioner. Well, I co-wash it. And then this is the final look. It turned out looking really pretty. I felt like I could have added more highlights, but my client actually really loved this look. So you guys can always go back in, add more highlights if you want to. And I always say, if you go crazy with the highlights, you can always just go back in and color the hair black. You can do like a watercolor method or something like that. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe if you want to. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.